Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to include either a Google Doc or a photo of your work into our Google Classroom. First, you need to be in the Classroom section. Then you're going to click the three little lines right here on the left. Once you click on the three little lines here on the left, you'll see this. You'll choose Classroom Folder. When you're on your Classroom folder, then you're going to choose Mrs. Florence First Grade Classroom. Over here, there's a little plus sign. And on the little plus sign, you can either use your camera, you can use Google Slides, you can use Google Sheets, you can use Google Docs. Now let's see how you can add a photo. So you click on Use Camera, and then it takes you to your camera. You're going to take a picture, and then you'll see the picture right there. Super easy, huh? Now we can try a Google Doc. You're going to name it whatever the assignment is and your name. So for example, ER, UR words, and then your name. Then I'll open up the Google Doc and you can type, you can write your words. You can write all the words you found. And there's your document. Let's say you want to make sure that your document is right where it needs to be. So you'll go back to Google Drive. And then now you can see the photo you took before and the Google document you took before. And maybe now you changed your mind and you don't want to have one of these documents on there. So for example, the photo, you press on it, hold it down, and then you can do remove. Hope this helps.